These are the best sounding V8s and their exhaust setups.
I came in last time from Buffer Delete and the Trackhawk sound great, but now G Exhaust is sponsoring me right now and they're installing a G-Pack with an X-Pipe.
Dodge Charger Red Eye Hellcat, guys. Some G-Packs on here, 3-inch G-Pack system, and make this Hellcat Red Eye sound even sicker than it already sounds, guys. Lexus GSF. It's got the monster V8. We slapped the Meisterschaft system on this a couple years ago. Sounds sick. Full titanium Akrapovic system for the M8 competition. C63S. This thing sounds like a tank, guys. Got the Muffy D on there. Added the simulator, so no check engine light because these mufflers are valved. We got rid of them. We chopped it. Gave it the Muffy D treatment, guys. We got this 2011 Mustang GT. Customer just picked it up and it's too damn loud.